People here? Okay. Why is this not meeting? Mute. Mute. It's fine. 0. Okay. Alrighty. I look like a mess. Was filming all day, so hello everyone. Welcome. I haven't been live in today. Hi Izzy. Hi Izzy. I look a little messy right now, so bear with me. I probably won't be live for a couple days because I'm going to Coachella, so I won't be here. New song. I have new songs and I have what's it called? New music video being edited right now. So yeah. But yeah, no, I just filmed some stuff and now I'm here. Thought I would do a stream. Ooh. Let me put this here for now, so that's fine, I think. Hopefully that doesn't fall. I just got this jacket. I just got this jacket. My hair is not done, so it looks a little sloppy. But yeah, how are you all doing? It's good to see you. Why is he giving off Shane Dawson? That's crazy to say. That's crazy. That is crazy. Anyways. I finished, I got more songs finished and I've just been making so many fucking YouTube videos. So many. I was gonna do a TikTok stream too because I usually co-stream, but I got banned on there on the live streams again until the 14th. So once I'm back from Coachella. But yeah, I have a new video being edited right now. It's probably going to be out before Coachella. So yeah, but how's everyone doing? So Sigma. But yeah, this is most of the music's pretty done. This is like 3 more songs on top of the album that I'm just going to put on there. So, yeah. Where is it? Maybe I should just like link this on my Discord. It might be the way anyways because I need to download it anyways. But yeah, the new music video is really good. Are you and Jake going to be together at Coachella? Yeah. We'll be around each other. What? I can't. Oh, did that work? I look really bad. I need it. Oh, I see. This is why people are saying I'm giving Shane Dawson the fucking face hair. Yeah, Grace did direct the music video. She set it all up. It turned out really, really well. She just cut it up, and now we need to get somebody to color correct it, which we found somebody really, really good. The whole crew's really good. Yeah, it's going to be one of my best ones. It's pretty great. What the hell is this? I had the... Who am I most excited to see at Coachella? Yo Gabba Gabba. But besides that, who am I excited to see at Coachella? Post Malone would be cool. I just don't want to be up that late. My next song's coming out probably this end of this month, maybe. Beginning of next month, end of this month, we'll have the music video done. And then after that, I'm just gonna film the next one, and been working on a bunch of other stuff, collab songs with someone, and just doing a lot of work, a lot of stuff that hasn't happened yet because just stocking up really. So I pulled back from social media just to kind of like go really hard with the actual creation of things and get ahead. But with that, you know, I know I've been really dry on content. I'm very aware, but it's okay. Once it starts going, it's gonna be the most I've ever put out and some like the best stuff. Oh, I see. This is where it is. But yeah, it's pretty neat. Sorry it looks so bad right now. Maybe I should take off the jacket. Maybe that will make me look better. I don't know. Hi, Meester. Hi, Meester. Oh, hi, Vic. Thank you for that, Vic. Yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been on Discord at all. Life's been really, really busy. Cooking up a lot of stuff. Anyways, this is yeah, I just got these 3 songs back. Looking sweaty. I'm actually not sweaty. My hair's just like soft. My hair's just soft and I have stubble. I'm a man. Thank you, Blue. Are you and Jake friends? Look at his new Instagram photo. Okay. 1 second. Is this right? That's loud. Okay. This looks healthier. My hair is actually not healthier. It just doesn't have hairspray in it. I need to cut it though. I'm gonna cut it today probably. Fine. Fine. Cool. Actually, maybe I'll play this part. I like this part. Sorry. yeah, there's some stuff. I got a lot of other songs too on the album, so this is some more. Anyways, yeah, that's the other one. The Screamy one was Repair. I redid it. It sounds much more grunge now though, and then it has that breakdown. And then I have that other song with Carrington. That one has like a really big breakdown. And then I did another song that's gonna have one, but I haven't. Well, the Carrington one doesn't have a breakdown. It's like a scream part. I don't even know if I have that like here. It's like maybe I think the. Oh wait, I just need to get his final vocals on it. The album come out. I'm getting the next music video out and song, and then I'm going to get the next collab song music video filmed, and then I'm gonna drop the album with that. So probably in a month or two, or three, 2 or 3, probably before the shows, the one-off shows. I only have New York tickets now available. M's Guilbert, thank you. Thank you, Riley. Yeah, I look really nasty right now. It's okay though. I look so nasty. I need to cut this long. We need one with Mod Sun. Yeah, I wrote a song that he like produced. I still need to finish it. We wrote a song together, but I need to do one with his vocals because that'd be cool. But yeah, it's all coming together though. Anyways, I know they're telling me you're wrong for me. How short do you cut it? I don't know. I just want to layer it and stuff. Thank you, Riley. Okay. Lots of videos are being filmed. But yeah, I should have a new YouTube video out for the main channel probably tomorrow or the next day. And then I'll start getting back at it. Once I get back from Coachella, really be active on it again. I just was doing a lot that took away from it, and have been stocking up on other content for other things. Stocking up. Anyways, Cabtasha. Cone's daughter like the stuff you sent her? Yeah, I think so. He posted about it, so I hope so. I think so. I would say so. Anyways, all right. So I got a bunch of products, food. I was at the mall, and I was like, you know, I'll try this shiz. That's how you say stuff without saying bad words. I'll try this shiz. So I went to the one and only Spencer's, and me and Barry were buying like some stuff there. And with that being said, I landed on the front section, which had candies and then condoms. It was a section of candies, and then I was looking, and then there was just a random bit of condoms. Are you planning on collabing with Swaco? That is the next song that's coming out, and it's really good. And we just did a music video for it. Anyways, so let me show you the items. You know, maybe I do a little YouTube face for this. I have a feeling that all this is gonna taste exactly like you would expect from something like this. This is like some stuff. Well, there's actually a lot more than this, but this is what I can grab with my hands right now. So we will do a YouTube face like. I don't know. I'm trying to help Barry. I don't know. I probably did a really bad job. Nonetheless, all right. We'll just start. I got a bunch of like weird shit. It's probably all just regular candy, to be quite honest, but it's themed differently, so that means that it's different. There's also I don't know. I don't even want to drink a lot of this stuff or eat it because it's just late, you know. Did the YouTube face? Yeah, I did the Shane Dawson face. All right, we'll start with this. Toxic Rick. This is from the one and only hit series Ricky and Morty. You made the Mr. Beast face. Fantastic. You know, I taught Mr. Beast everything he knows. This is just an energy drink. I think it's probably going to be green apple. It doesn't say. Oh, wait, it says Cherry Wasteland energy drink. Okay, so it's cherry. Why would it be cherry? That tastes so like candy-ish. It's pretty good. It tastes nothing like Rick and Morty though. Wow. Ugh. It just tastes like it tastes like a candy stick that's too sour, like one of those juice ones that you spray into your mouth and then it's like got the goo and then it's like bleh. So it's good. That's pretty good, honestly. How many booms? Boom, 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 boom. I would give it like a 7 out of 10. I don't really like energy drinks too much though. Ugh. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. We have Terrifier Brain Gummies from the Clown Cafe. Stop on by the Clown Cafe. It's pretty crazy that Terrifier's gotten so big that now they have brain candy in actual stores. I do enjoy Terrifier. Found it. Me and Grace both found it pretty early on, but now it's just blown up. It's really one of those things you just watch grow. We have brains. This is very Halloween candy. I need brain anyways. Give me brain. Is that what they say? That's sexual, is it not? I'm not sure. I heard Grace scream. This is pretty good. It tastes a little like dust though. I mean, this is good. 5 pieces is a serving. I don't know what that means because I could just eat them all and I'm still like, I'm fine. I like it. These are really good. Oh no! Did I run it over with my chair? No! I think it's under the chair's wheel. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Help. What happened? Help. Oh my god. I don't know what's going on. I swear to God. Whatever. It'll appear when it's ready. Thank you, Kabtashi, for the sub with the prime. The Terrifier Brain Gummies. 9 out of 10. I like these. I like those a lot. Genuinely fucking good. I mean, the thing is, a lot of these I think are just probably packaged. Like, they're not going to be anything too crazy. So that's why we need to try something different. You know, we'll try the hot ones, smoky, sweet snack mix. I've never tried these, but I have had hot ones sauce and stuff. This is a medium level. Let's see. They smell okay. Alright. We'll see. These got like a... Oh, are they all pretzels? Oh no, there's some peanuts. I need the peanuts. It was like peanuts, it's a pretzel. They're green chili. Give me the fucking peanuts. Give me the peanuts. Otherwise, I'm not having the full experience. And people are gonna be mad. They're gonna be mad. Please. Here's like my new shirt. You'll see where I found it in a new video. But look, it says Elton John. Elton John. I took off this shirt to try on another thing, and it's really tight, and I almost broke it. Anyways, I get the peanuts, and pretzels. All right. I hope they're not like gross. Oh, whatever. What? These have no heat to them. They hardly have flavor to them too. The flavor they do have is kind of ass. Wow. I am not impressed. not in love with it. That might be my least favorite thing yet. I mean, like, I could eat this and be totally fine. But, like, it's not great. Like, a 5. It's like a 5. It's really just boring and not tasty. Oh, a little spicy. We got a FNAF chocolate bar. Chica. Little duck. I'm pretty sure this is going to be like a regular chocolate bar. I wanted to go to FYE. If you guys ever heard of FYE, it's got like so many like nerdy candies and shit. They have like Reptar bars and stuff. I wanted to get that, but apparently it went out of business in the mall that I go to. So, or that I was at. This is a horribly disappointing chocolate bar. Horribly disappointing. Like, where the fuck? Like, when I buy something that's themed, I want the chocolate bar to have a character on it. This is what I get? Fucking gravel? Is this like peppermint or something? I'm pretty sure this is going to be peppermint or something. Oh my god, it's fucking milk chocolate peppermint. Not a fan of peppermint. This is going to be bad. Honestly, kind of good. This is kind of good. The peppermint's like there, but it's not too overwhelming like a lot of peppermint candy. I would never choose to get peppermint though. Boom, boom, boom. It's kind of good. I kind of enjoy it. I finished with this. This is all really healthy for you. I might need to mark down a point on this. This shit is nasty. That's gotta be like a 6 out of 10. The peppermint bar, honestly, I'll give it like a 7. I'll give it like a 7. I just don't like peppermint, but if I did, it's good. Well, the creative design on it, it's kind of bad. So maybe I should give it a 6 because like I'm kind of disappointed with the packaging on there. I gotta really think about this. I'm just confused. All right. All right, this one I was really excited about and surprised. We got Killer Clowns Cotton Candy Gummies. Strawberry. It's crazy that the Killer Clowns are like popping. Cool. This is cool packaging. Shout out to all the clowns. Whoop whoop. Insane Clown Posse. Get it? Why is ICP not playing Coachella? I'd be so excited for that. Whoop whoop. I've never seen them. I want to see them live. Anyways, we have oh, they're like squishy. They're marshmallowy. The creative design is butt on this. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Is that supposed to be anything? Not really sure. They all look like that, so. Wow. I'm sorry for all the mouth ASMR. This is much better than I thought it would be, though. Yeah, I thought it was going to be made out of, like, cotton candy, but. This is actually pretty good. I like that the image looks like it's from, like, it's super, like, I don't know, it just looks wonky. It looks like it's from, like, the 80s or something. I mean, the movie's probably from the 90s at least. Maybe the 80s? When is Killer Clowns from? Is it from the 80s? I feel like it could be 88. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it just looks like that. Wow. I mean, I'm into it. I will give it, but it's not like the best. I would give it like, the packaging's good. The shape of it is like, what the fuck? Oh, you know what? I just realized what it is. I mean, it's not a great job at it, but it's supposed to be like the little cocoons that the Killer Clowns put the people in. Look. Um, watch. Oh my god, I need to show this once in. I assume that it's supposed to be like kind of like this, you know, like the killer clowns put them in the little cocoon, so it's supposed to be like that. I'm not really sure what the white part is. I don't think in the movie they have that or anything, but you know, it could have more detail. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's kind of weird, but at least I figured out what it's supposed to be. I'll give it a 7. It's pretty good. You know? Definitely better than that Five Nights at Freddy's fucking chocolate bar. This I don't even want. I don't even want. They had a bunch of different versions of this. They had Ghostface and Killer Clowns again, which makes a lot of sense for this, and then FNAF. It's just cotton candy. I'm not a fan. I can already say I'm not a fan. Wow, this is taking forever to open. Hi, Haley. Rewind for the next song? Yes, rewind for the next song, but the song will not be called Rewind. But yes, and it's going to be the best one yet in a lot of ways. You're going to love it. Okay, this is the cotton candy. That's incredible. Very well done. Let's give it a thing. The only time I remember eating cotton candy is from like Chuck E. Cheese when I was a kid. I would go there, take a couple bites, you know, and that's it. It's just like a floor. And it's getting stuck in my teeth. I'm not a fan of that. Yummy. It's kind of good. That's just regular cotton candy. I fucking hate that gets stuck to your fingers. God. Ugh. It's like Elmo's fucking furs on me or some shit. And it's stuck in my teeth. Are you chewing it? Yeah, are you not supposed to chew? Wait, are you not supposed to chew cotton candy? Wait, what? I thought you were supposed to chew it. I just don't care for this at all. I mean, it's a 5 out of 10. It's literally just is what it is, you know? I don't know what to say. It's just not for me. It's not cute. All right, on to the next one. Hot Ones. This is a different one, habanero. It's also the same spice level, though. Maybe the flavor's more there? I have no idea. What's the chew? I don't know. I don't know. Oh my god. Wait, this one is it the same type of shit? Yeah, it's the same type of shit. Pretzels and nut. A little spicier. A lot spicier. What? More kick for sure. More kick. Need drink. Need drink. I mean, it's not good. The flavor's not good. I don't like it. This needs to go down. This is bad. Every time I drink this, I hate it so much. Let's move this down to a 4. This is bad. This shit is worse than the last one. I don't remember what I rated the last one, but I'll also give this one a 4 as well. I don't like this at all. And now my mouth is struggling. Ugh. God damn it. I need to cut my hair. Today's the day. Nom nom nom. Those pretzels are not it. Whew. I think I'm gonna get myself sick from eating all this. This one's interesting. We have a Ghostface cherry something. I don't know. It's probably like blood, honestly. It's gonna look like blood. That's my assumption, which is really late. What? Okay, so you know how I said it was a cocoon for the Killer Clowns? It's not, so that's disappointing. So I'm gonna rank that as 6 now. Apparently this is just the shape that they fucking did. Really horrible. This packaging is also just whatever. It's crazy. It's the same fucking candy. It's the same goddamn candy. I didn't realize it was the same fucking thing. But that one tastes less good. That one tastes a little more whatever. I mean, it's 6. It's the same fucking candy. I didn't realize. That's so disappointing. Anyways. Security Breach energy drink. I tried to play this game once. It was really laggy. It's an energy drink. What flavor is this one? This one's also cherry. I wonder if there's any difference. Cherry lime, and this one just says cherry toxic waste, so it's probably the same fucking drink. Oh no, this one's way better. Oh dude, yeah, this one's way better. The lime is way better. I could actually drink this. This one's really good. It tastes almost like soda or something. That's not bad at all. Wow. I have to give, I mean, you know, it's a fucking can that you're paying for. But it's a drink. This is like a 8. It's good. Nothing bad about that one. Oh my god, I don't want any more candy. I'm gonna be honest. I've had enough. Ugh, it's the lime really added to it, you know? I was struggling, but the lime really fixed it all up for me. I'm not struggling anymore. Oh god, I don't even want it. This one looks actually the worst. What the fuck is this? Guppers? Is that what it says? Guppers gummy liquid filled poppers. Poppers? Does it make your asshole loose? What the hell? Poppers. Juicy burst. Oh, it says gummy at first and then juicy burst. Is this one of the things that we, like, Jake and I had once and it squirted all over the fucking car? That sounds really dirty, but I swear to God it has context. We were, like, eating these jelly fruits and then they went... Anyways. The grenade. I am not excited for this. Like, I don't need this. I don't need the stress of whatever this is. I'm not. It also looks disgusting. It feels gross. Oh, wow, that is gummy. I have a feeling this is like a ball sack. This is pretty much how testicles hang. That's great. Fantastic. Welp. I don't want to eat this. I'm scared of it exploding. I don't want to say it, but exploding in my mouth. I don't want to. Okay, whatever. Oh. I don't want this. It has a... I don't like this at all. Oh, I ate it. Okay. It has a very big lack of juice in the grenade. You expected a lot more. It's not there. The texture of the gummy is actually disgusting. It's actually horrible. It tastes so fucking gross. I choked on it for a second. That's what... I don't want to say that's what she said. But anyways, that sucked. I didn't like that at all. 1 out of 10. Garbage. Really hated that. Don't like it at all. Please, God, make it stop. Okay, this is the last thing I got for the candies, and then I'm done. I never have to do this again. What is this? Sour Madness. It's not from anything. I guess they're just different flavors of Sour Madness. We'll see how sour these are. 100% Madness. I can handle it. I don't need this much gummy. I hate this. Why are they wrapped individually? So dumb. I hate that. Oh my god, ew. Why are they this? Why are they this? Dude, it's fucking little. It's like the hard candy. I thought it was gonna be a gummy. My mouth just got watery from this. I'm not gonna like this. It's not that bad. It's not bad. It's not that sour. Extreme sour. I spent $5 on this. What a waste. No, it's not as sour as Warheads. It tastes pretty good. It's like a good amount of sour. But I hate that they're individually wrapped. That makes me very mad. Honestly, so I don't want to eat the rest of this. I got the flavor, I got it. I spit it out in my grenade thing. That was fine. I don't know. That's whatever. It looks insane. It looks insane and it was very disappointing. I'd give it like a 6 out of 10. It's just literally whatever. You know, I was expecting my mouth to actually hurt. It wasn't there, so I'm kind of disappointed. And that's it. That's how all these candies are. All these are pretty whatever. The best thing was probably the brains from Terrifier. These were definitely the best thing. These are good. I mean, they're like any other candy, but you know, it fits the movie. The packaging on it's cute, and they taste good. So I'd say these win. Everything else is whatever. This drink is good too. This is alright for an energy drink. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. How many booms? Boom, 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 boom. That's how many booms. So many booms. Alright, we did it. We did it. I'm probably not going to be on super long. I just wanted to try that, and then I'm going to eat and blah, blah, blah. Well, my guitar is a little, my string's a little. What did you buy at Sunglass Hut? How'd you know I was there? I didn't buy anything at Sunglass Hut, but I was there. Couldn't find anything. Okay. Yeah, that was disappointing. Not a fan of candy. Just gets, it's a lot. Oh yeah. What? I can't see with these sunglasses. Poor old Johnnie right sounded sad upon the radio, moved a million hearts in mono. Our mothers cried, sang along, who would blame them? And you're grown, you're gonna soon grown, so gonna now, I must say more than ever. And we sang just like a father. Come on, Eileen, oh, I swear what I mean. At this moment, you mean everything. You on this dress, oh, my thoughts, I confess, but you're dirty. down the sun. I don't know the fucking words. Good song though. It sounds like that. Hey, this sounds like. Just a dime store pulling. Is that Batman Arkham Asylum song? Walk by the dance floor. I wonder what the chords say. Hey, mister. How does it go? I don't know. It was in my head though. I was thinking that there was something in my brain. I was feeling it. Yeah, they have an Arkham Asylum song for the second game. Has anybody seen the Minecraft movie? I haven't seen that. Bob Dylan. Lord, not that off of me. Anymore. Maybe this one. I still haven't seen the Bob Dylan movie. I don't remember No Place for a Hero in Arkham Asylum. I don't know. I probably know it, but I don't have it in my brain. It's the fourth. So probably like that, I think. Okay. There ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe. If you don't, how does it? If you don't know, I know. It's a little more faster. Well, there ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe. You'll never do somehow. When your rooster crows at the break of dawn, look out your window, I'll be gone. You're the reason. I don't know the fucking song well enough for this one. No, never know. Ugh. See, if I watched the movie, I would know all the songs. That's the problem. Jake just made a thumbnail of you three. He made a thumbnail of us three. Oh, fuck. I like that little bing bing. Ding, ding, ding. He's editing? What is he doing? I don't know what people are talking about. I gotta be in the know. Is he like doing a stream of him editing? Oh yeah, he's literally editing. Oh, that's the Tara video that we did. That's good. He's fucking good. He knows how to edit. He's very on it. It's very good. I look like a fucking Bob Dylan kind of guy. Am I still close with Carrington? We don't talk as much right now, but it's just because we don't live together anymore, and like I don't know. I still message him here and there and stuff, and he still messages me. And we do have a song that we're gonna do, but we're not like kicking it as much lately. But you know, he's gonna be at Coachella too, though. I asked him, so we'll see each other there, and that'll be nice. I haven't seen him in a minute because I went on tour and then we both moved out. So yeah, and I just don't go to parties as much. I ordered pizza for us. When is this? It's probably almost here. Oh, it's literally outside. I should bring that in probably. Well, I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body. Alright, I'll get this pizza and then I'll do something. And then I'll leave. Anybody who's like you. Okay, I'm gonna play like 1 or 2 songs and then I'm gonna go because I gotta go eat my food, and it's just a little stream. I just wanted to eat that candy and stuff. How do I do this? Oh my god. As the music dies. Maybe I do my little parted hair. That's the look. Stop all the things you do. Such a wreck, it's like I've never known the truth. Take it back the way you want it. Disregard it's of a path that's haunted. What a shame. What a shame. That we always seem to get in a fight, and I'm in pain, I can't ever seem to make things right. Sink your teeth right into me as I take my one last breath. You want me dead, so here's your wish as you lay my body to rest. You're a vampire, and I was bound to get her. Your love is a curse, love is the worst. And whoa, you're here. What are you doing?
Did our pizza come?
Yeah, it's right over there. I was gonna get off right now. She scared me. That's great. Okay, that's my sign to go eat pizza with my girlfriend. All right, everyone. I'll probably be on tomorrow, and then I gotta go because I'm going to Coachella, so I won't be here for like a few days. But new video probably dropping in a day, maybe 2. All right. Thank you all. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Thank you. See you.